Are you looking for a way to make money online? Look no further than YouTube. With over 2 billion monthly active users, this video sharing platform offers endless opportunities to monetize your content and turn your channel into a cash cow. But how do you stand out in such a crowded space? That's where automation comes in. In this video, we'll explore how automating certain tasks can help maximize your earnings on YouTube, and explain the steps you need to take to set up your own profitable channel. So sit back, grab a cup of coffee, and let's dive into the world of YouTube automation. YouTube is owned by Google, which means that the two platforms work closely together to provide users with a seamless experience. This integration has numerous benefits for content creators, including easy access to Google's powerful search engine and advertising network. Using automation and analytics tools, you can create highly targeted content that resonates with your audience and boosts engagement. One of the biggest advantages of being part of the Google ecosystem is that YouTube videos often show up in search results alongside traditional web pages. This gives your channel visibility beyond just YouTube itself, increasing your chances of getting discovered by potential viewers. In addition, if you're using AdSense to monetize your channel, you'll benefit from having access to Google's robust ad targeting capabilities. This means that advertisers can serve ads on your videos based on factors like user demographics and interests, resulting in higher click-through rates, and more revenue for you. Because both YouTube and Google are so widely used around the world, being part of their networks enables you to reach a truly global audience with your content. So if you haven't already taken advantage of this powerful synergy between two tech giants, what are you waiting for? Start creating great video content today. Monetization is the process of making money from your YouTube channel. It's one of the most important aspects to consider when creating a successful cash cow on YouTube. Once you've met YouTube's eligibility criteria, you can start monetizing your videos by enabling ads in your account settings. You can choose from a variety of ad formats, including skippable video ads, display ads, and overlay ads. Additionally, you can take advantage of YouTube's partner program to earn revenue from sponsored content or product placements in your videos. Finally, you can use automation tools to streamline the process of managing and promoting your channel. You can also use analytics reports to track the performance of different types of content so that you know what works best for your channel and optimize accordingly. One of the main requirements for monetization is having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours over the past year. Once you've met this requirement, you can apply for monetization through Google AdSense. Once approved, ads will start appearing on your videos and you'll earn revenue based on views and clicks. However, it's important to note that not all types of content are eligible for monetization. If your content violates any community guidelines or copyright laws, then it won't be eligible for monetization. Therefore, it's essential that creators make sure their content abides by these rules in order to receive revenue from their hard work. Finding the right niche for your YouTube channel is crucial if you want to make it a cash cow. A niche is essentially a specific topic or subject that your channel focuses on. In today's competitive landscape, having a general channel won't cut it anymore. To find the perfect niche, start by identifying what you're passionate about. What topics do you enjoy discussing? What are some of your hobbies and interests? These questions will help narrow down potential niches that align with your passions. Next, research those potential niches to see how popular they are in terms of search volume and competition. You can use tools like Google Trends or Keyword Planner to get an idea of what people are searching for online related to those topics. Once you've identified a profitable and viable niche, focus on creating content around it consistently. This will help establish authority within that particular space and attract viewers who are interested in that type of content. By taking the time to find the right niche for your YouTube channel, you'll be setting yourself up for long-term success as a creator and ultimately increase your chances of turning your channel into a cash cow through automation strategies we'll discuss later on in this video. Creating a YouTube channel is the first step towards establishing your online presence and making money on this platform. Your channel should be centered around a specific niche that you are passionate about, as this will help you attract like-minded viewers who will engage with your content. YouTube is a vast platform that offers endless opportunities for creators to make money. However, creating and uploading content regularly can be time-consuming, which is where automation comes in. Using automation tools such as TubeBuddy or vidIQ, you can streamline the process of creating and optimizing your content for search engines. These tools offer features like keyword research, video optimization, competitor analysis, and tracking metrics, all aimed at helping creators increase their reach and boost their revenue. One of the best things about YouTube cash cow automation is that it allows you to create a passive income stream. Once you've optimized your videos using these tools, they'll continue to rank on search engines even when you're not actively promoting them. That means that even while you sleep or take a break from creating new content, your videos will still be earning money through ad revenue or affiliate marketing. If you're passionate about creating content and want to turn your channel into a cash cow, then you should consider using automation tools to help you get started. These tools offer features like video optimization, keyword research and tracking metrics, all aimed at. But it's important to note that while automation tools can help save time and effort in certain areas of YouTube content creation, they are not meant to replace human input entirely. As a creator, it's important to remain engaged with your audience by responding to comments and feedback personally. Automated systems have revolutionized various sectors including the creative industry, thus incorporating them into one's YouTube channel can not only save time but also helps improve overall efficiency, giving room for more creations while still receiving traffic from previous uploads. It's important to focus on creating high-quality videos that offer value to your audience. This means investing in good equipment such as cameras, microphones, lighting, and editing software. Your video titles and descriptions should be SEO optimized, using relevant keywords so that they can easily show up in search results when people look for content related to your niche. Engage with your audience by responding to comments on your videos and asking for feedback or suggestions for future content. Building a strong subscriber base takes time and effort, but it's worth it because once you have an engaged following, you can begin monetizing your channel through sponsorships, advertising, revenue sharing programs like Google AdSense, or selling merchandise related to your niche. Remember that consistency is key. Upload new videos regularly so that viewers know when to expect new content from you. SEO, or search engine optimization, is an essential aspect of creating a successful YouTube channel. The goal is to make it easier for people to find your videos when they search for relevant keywords. One way to improve SEO is by conducting keyword research. This involves identifying the specific words and phrases that people are using when searching for topics related to your niche. By incorporating these keywords into your video titles, descriptions, tags, and transcripts effectively, you can increase the likelihood of ranking higher in search results. Another crucial factor in improving SEO is engagement metrics such as watch time and audience retention rates. These metrics signal to YouTube that users find your content valuable and engaging, thus increasing the chances of appearing higher in search rankings. In addition to this, having high-quality backlinks from other reputable sources can also improve SEO scores significantly. Backlinks are links from external sites pointing towards your channel, videos indicating authority, which boosts visibility on the platform. Understanding how SEO works will help you attract more viewers organically who can potentially become subscribers, leading up potential monetization opportunities through advertising revenues or brand partnerships. Cash cow is a term used to describe a business or investment that generates consistent and significant profits over an extended period. In the world of online marketing, YouTube has become one such cash cow for content creators who have figured out how to monetize their channels effectively. Creating high-quality content that resonates with your target audience is key to building a successful YouTube channel. Once you've built up your following, you can start earning money through ad revenue, sponsorships, merchandise sales, and other income streams. The beauty of having a cash cow like YouTube is that once you've put in the initial work to build your channel and establish yourself as an authority in your niche, much of the heavy lifting can be automated. With tools like TubeBuddy and vidIQ at your disposal, it's possible to optimize your videos for SEO and streamline many aspects of the content creation process. But while automation can help save time and boost productivity, it's important not to rely too heavily on technology at the expense of authentic engagement with your viewers. Ultimately, maintaining strong relationships with your audience will be crucial in keeping those cash cow profits rolling in over the long term. YouTube is undoubtedly one of the most powerful platforms for making money online. However, to succeed in this competitive space, you need to adopt proven strategies that help you stand out from the crowd. By leveraging Google's sophisticated algorithms and implementing smart SEO practices, you can drive more traffic to your videos and increase your chances of monetization. Identifying a niche audience, creating quality content consistently, and building a loyal following are essential steps towards building your cash cow YouTube channel. Automating certain aspects of your channel such as video uploads or social media promotion will save you time and allow you to focus on creating better content. With the right tools and techniques at hand, it is possible to build a highly successful YouTube channel that generates sustainable income over time.